Bitcoin, the new wave is coming. You wanna know everything about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for crypto news, crypto to the max. And today we are happy because Bitcoin went up. But again, as always, we should be a little bit suspicious about Bitcoin. And you know that one day it goes up, the next day it goes down. So careful out there. You can see we are in this line, this dotted line, and that might mean resistance, even though we broke this moving average that we were following. So maybe this is a good thing, maybe it's not. We went all our way up to $43,600. What do you think about all this? Remember previous video we told you about the weekly and how we had this hammer, this green one, and how this might seem that Bitcoin was going to go higher. If you haven't watched it already, just go there. Is this one. I told you everything, and you can see here those moments in the past and how we went up, up, and up. And today we're going to zoom in a little bit more, and you can see here all the times that we had that. Remember, just FunOntheRide Rodri is giving you all these charts, so smash the like button. Help us with the links in the description below. Thank you very much. Everything free for you always. And you can see now all these colors with the ghost pattern here. So the idea that we might be following this moment here, gray, yellow, this green one or this blue one, and the different scenarios that we might have. One of them might mean going down here in December 2022 before a crazy run up. But in order to watch it better, you can see that meant 12% up, 3% up, 46% up, and 27% up. So what now if we have that situation? Well, you can see that if this was a 12% up from bottom of the week to the top, it's done already. It was it. 43,300, and now we need to go down. But if we are waiting for a 27 or a 46, as in the past, we might go to $50,000 or $60,000 for just the one Bitcoin. So maybe we are running late, we have no more time, and maybe it's time for buying, or maybe not. I'm not expert, and this is not financial advice. If we consider this blue moment from here, this is November 2022. You can see we are maybe following this path right now. If that's so, we might go down to 40,000, 39,000, something like that. And then we might go up. And this might have to do with the halving. So again, this might make sense. We are flat with some ups and downs. And then on March, we start going up, and then we go there. So that would be from the one on November 22, the hammer, we had that. This one here, what would happen if we follow all this path? Or maybe we are going just to follow the one from here, the second one of them. Well, remember that we have some homework to do out there with the gaps in the CNMV futures in $39,000. So again, $39,000 will be the remaining point there. But maybe we are not following that whatsoever. Maybe we are following the moment we broke this moving average here, as we said also in yesterday's video. Well, remember this was a top, and a top here, but we broke it yesterday. And the last time was this blue line, and we went all this way up. That would be $60,000. So again, a possibility we are learning today here. What do you think? 43, 49, 56. Leave a comment below so we'll see who's the winner in the future. And remember that this all has to do with dollar, and we had the decision. Today is the 30th. Tomorrow we'll know about Jerome Powell. So we'll see how the decision of the Fed affects the market. We told you in previous video too. And also in previous videos, we talked about this line, this 8 degrees line in the past halving cycles from Red Capital, and that we are not going to break it. We didn't in the past moments. And Again, if you want to know everything about that, it's in this video. But I took all that information, and here you can see 1, 2, and 3 lines in an 8 degrees approximately. And you see that we might need this moment of going down again. And it relates also with the hammer moment before in a couple of months start the pump, and after the halving start going up like crazy. Maybe time is running out, just like Red Capital is telling us here. The pre-halving period, you can see it in orange, where pullbacks tend to occur, is ending in just the 2 weeks. Only 2 weeks left for any downside before the pre-halving rally period begins, which will be the light blue, the buy the rumor, sell the news effect that we have usually in the halvings. And we have some good news. Volume from BlackRock ETF, it's better than GBTC. So those ad flows are over. Also, we told you about ads on Google, and you can see Franklin Templeton, they had ETF ads for Google right now. Also BlackRock and VanEck, and so they are going to be advertised, and more people will flow into it. And also now in Hong Kong, you can see that 230 billion asset manager Harvest is filing to launch the new spot Bitcoin ETF in Hong Kong. So all over the world, we might have that. The market fighting for the green. The bubble's crazy out there in the green. Which ones are you going to buy? And let's think a little bit about that. Here, you have this tweet from Bitcoin News. The idea is that this peak is different. Current Bitcoin bull run is remarkably different from past cycles, according to the 2024 prospectus from Pantera Capital. Although 2021 cycle saw a massive churn in which 14 of the top 20 tokens from 2017 dropped out, there has been no change among the top 6 since. And you can see there, Bitcoin, Ripple, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Cardano, NEM, where's NEM now, and Litecoin. And you can see these projects are again in 2021 peak 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and also in today's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, even though Litecoin and Bitcoin guys are going down. But you see some projects, maybe some good projects, that as time goes by, they remain here. And also very interesting that from 2021 to today, Bitcoin is number 1, Ethereum is number 2, Binance is number 3, Solana is number 4, and we have Ripple and Cardano at 6th and 5th. And we have there also Polkadot, Close, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Avalanche. So you can see that we have there some not Bitcoin investments, but some other projects that have been here for a long time. So are you going to buy one of these, or are you going to buy one of those new projects? Consider your plan. Do not be too greedy as the market is today, and do not be scared because of this sell from the United States government. They are selling $118 million worth of cryptocurrencies due to Silk Road, but expert believes that this is priced already. Also bad news for Binance, suspended in Florida and Alaska. So maybe the fiasco in United States is not over yet. Ethereum finding now resistance in the moving average of 50. We'll see about that. And remember, Chico Crypto told us today that on March we might have this DENCON where those fees for Ethereum and layer 2s are going to be really, really low if everything works out. So maybe then it's time for Ethereum because of this, and also because of the possibility for an ETF. Remember, after the halving, what's going to be the narrative out there? Probably Ethereum's ETF. Remember also that you have just 13 hours left for this giveaway from our partners on CoinW. You have the link in the description below. You need to participate to win that pool of 1,500 USDTs and a box of merchandising from Pirlo, advisor of CoinW. Link in the description below. And consider that, of course, the world's oldest actively competing breakdancer, age 66, is a Bitcoiner. How not? I think I might do this when I'm 66. What do you think? You see me doing that with a Bitcoin flag? I do so. What are your crazy videos? Just send them to me in a Twitter or an X account. Also, if you want to learn more, you should go to FunOntheRide.com, our website. We have now all the pixels, everything is ready there. We created them with AI, and you can see those are awesome. Go to CryptoNews, FunOntheRide.com, and you can learn there everything you want for free. About AI, maybe, well, also, you can see here the evolution of money created with AI from the caves, also then using some stones, then coins, how they were adopted. And then you can see the different ages and eras, the epochs, the gold standard, and then the fiat, the ATMs, the credit cards. And finally, we need Bitcoin and we need Ethereum and some other projects because everything becomes so digital and we need it for being in outer space and relating with AI and other technologies. Very interesting also with AI. We have this rap telling you why we don't need CBDCs because these people are going to control us and we have different solutions coming from Bitcoin and other crypto projects. Now, AI and crypto coming together, and that's why we have another channel called AI News. Do you like crypto news? Then you need to know about AI news. I tell you all you need to know. And today we have a new video. We are going to teach you everything about GPTs today. And this is not AI. This is just some talented people, and you can see there a really really nice cat just created with women, and it's the beginning of our cat section. You can see here this guy with the mood in the market like, well, I'm out of Bitcoin and I'm sad, I don't care about these mice, so this cat is quite broken. Do not be sad, I just want to sleep till Bitcoin is a new all-time high. I understand, but just try to hodl there. Watch some more videos so you can cheer up. Here, maybe one of these in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, power in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!